Hello everyone, how's it going? How's everybody doing? It's Marky, and I'm here with some new Hot Wheels to show ya. My Walmart just got Q-Case. We had Q-Case come into Target, and now Walmart has Q-Case as well. So I've been able to find a couple more Q-Case cars that I didn't have. The Supra, 2020 Toyota GR Supra, which is new for 2021, in yellow. Now it's been recolored to yellow. The first one was the white one, which I have here. And you can see they're pretty much the same car, just a difference in color. But a beautiful Supra. I really like this this Supra. It looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. So the first one was the white, and now you can get it in yellow. And like I said, Walmart has them. Let's see, here we go. But the new one is the yellow one. And you can see they have all these tampos here. All these brands on the door, including the Hot Wheels logo. The front end has the Toyota badge right there, and the lights on the sides there look pretty cool. Blacked out wheels on this one. These are those really nice wheels that look so cool when they spin. Of course, a two-door vehicle with the handles painted over. We do have this little stripe going on. Kind of fades into different colors at the front end and then at the back end. Same thing, some kind of difference in colors going on there. And the gasoline access door right there on the back fender. We do have a nice big wing. The pipes are showing on the bottom. They didn't give us any colors for the lights or the license plate. And the front end does have just the badge and the two lights there. You know, a little spot there maybe for a license plate, I guess. Could be. A couple of lights down in there in these holes. And this is a new for 2021 model that has been recolored now. All the windows are up. It does have a nice big piece of glass there in the front. And you can see pretty good inside, even though the windows are rolled up. Sometimes you can't see inside when the windows are up. Left side driver, no mirrors. We do have a couple of windshield wipers there, molded in the glass. And here it is, a 3/4 view from the front. Beautiful Supra. So nice. There's the top view. And the side view. Back end one more time. Beautiful. And again, you can get this one in both colors, either white or yellow. Pretty nice cars. How about the wheels? Are the wheels the same? The wheels are the same. And the tampo looks pretty much the same in the front. And again, the back is just, both of them are just plain on the back end there, and same kind of striping on the sides, just some different colors on a little stripe there, I think. Yeah, it's a little different. Just the colors. Pretty nice Supras though. Very nice. All right, and guys, I also found this Shelby Cobra 427 SC. This one's from the Muscle Mania series, the last one in the series, number 10 of 10. Finally came out, and guess what? It's number 250 of 250. So it's the last car in the collection for 2021. And it's a really nice color. It kind of looks like the red that they used for that Kia, for the red Kia this year. Check out these rivets back here. Bucket seats with a couple of seat belts there. Left side driver, big gear shifter in the middle there with the console. Some clocks, gauges. We do have this protection here. Is this considered a rollover bar? I don't know what you call these back here. This little, because it's just for the one seat. And look at the Tampa work. Stripes, racing stripes coming all the way down to the back with the circle. Circle here on the side. You can see the pipes on each side. Right behind the door there, the exhaust. Blacked out wheels with a chrome edge. And the base is also like a plastic chrome. I like this color a lot. This color is really nice, the way this color looks. It's kind of like a translucent or something. And there's the front end of the Cobra, Shelby Cobra. So nice. But no extra colors for the lights, any of the lights at all. I mean, what is this here? Don't know what that is. Pipes are on the side here. Shelby Cobra stamped on the bottom here, 427 SC. P30, 1982, and 2019 are the copyrights, made in Malaysia. And you can see the tires and the wheels are all the same size. Hot Wheels logo on the back fender. And you see where the circles are, like right in front of the door. Not on the door, but in front of the door. We have this triangle badge over here that says Cobra, I think. What is that? Oh no, it's not Cobra. I think it says Corey, but I'm not sure. And then we have a little silver thing going on there with some vents. Same thing here. Maybe that's a light. I don't know. Is that a light there? I don't know what that is. Let's see. I don't know. I don't think it's a light. I don't know. It could be. Could be actually. It's like a silver color. Whatever. It's hard to tell. But here it is. Pretty nice. We just needed some more colors on the lights. The amber lights and the headlights. Yeah, they needed to be painted in. And we didn't get that little mirror neither. That would be there. I do have the little scoop there. It's just like dirt, whatever. Cool, so let's compare these two. The Cobra and the Supra. Two new additions to my Hot Wheels collection. Here's the front ends. Two pretty nice cars. The color on the Shelby is just amazing. That's a really cool color. And then we have the side view on both. Pretty nice. And the back end. Little comparison. Here are the bases. Pretty nice. Pretty nice pair of cars. Nice Hot Wheels. Again, it's pretty cool to walk into Walmart and finally see some cars, some new cars on the pegs. Walmart has been with no Hot Wheels for a while. So this was pretty cool. Very nice. Very nice finds. So happy to have these. Again, the Supra is a new for 2021 model. And this one is number 178 of 250. And there it is. It has nice graphics on the card. And when you compare the mirrored-less Hot Wheels, you see the difference. There's mirrors on the graphics there, but not on the actual Hot Wheels. It makes a difference. It makes it look a little different. And they did a pretty good job at imitating the lights. How the lights would look and the badge there. That's pretty cool. Just missing those mirrors. Awesome. So this video might be a little late today because I've been having problems with the YouTube for some reason, not being able to load today. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.